Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download syndication investor updates with CrowdStreet step by step clearly. To download syndication investor updates with CrowdStreet, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the CrowdStreet website. Log in to your CrowdStreet account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, locate the Investments tab in the main menu. Click on the Investments tab to access your investment portfolio. Find the specific investment for which you want to download the investor update. Click on the investment name to view the details. Scroll down to find the Investor Updates section on the investment page. In this section, you will see a list of available updates. Identify the update you wish to download. Look for a download icon or link next to the update. Click the download icon to initiate the download process. The update will usually download as a PDF file. Check your browser's download folder for the completed file. Open the downloaded PDF to review the investor update. If necessary, repeat these steps for additional updates. You have successfully downloaded syndication investor updates with CrowdStreet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.